What's going on, guys? Garrett Helms here from the Tech Talks team. So today we're actually going to be going to take a look at the Video Game Expo.
I think a lot of students have joined because, well, number one, they're passionate about video games. They love playing, but more than that, they're just aching for the opportunity to create their own.
So this game, it's a simple real-time strategy game. The point of the game is to use resources generated by this building to train units. Once they've been trained, you can select them and send them to battle the enemy, like these ones up here.
So it's kind of like Starcraft in a sense.
That was one of the primary inspirations.
Let's let them take on these guys. Might not be enough, but we'll see. Oh yeah, they just got slaughtered immediately.
My name is Jenna Ray.
Okay, cool. You want to tell us a little bit about your game?
So my game is called Chimping. There's multiple different chicken characters you can choose.
Oh my gosh, I love that.
And then the goal of the game, so okay, if you go over here, there's a cutscene that will show you what the goal of the game is. So
Wow, did you animate this cutscene?
I did.
Wow.
Basically, the chicken really wants to fly.
That's amazing.
So you're gonna go around collecting pieces of a glider
Oh,
so that you can
okay.
put it together and be able to fly.
Any difficulties you ran into?
Yeah.
Like making it and stuff?
The inventory was really hard to make. Being able to add items was pretty easy, but figuring out how to drop them is really hard. I feel like I want to finish this because I want to be able to not feel like I abandoned the project, and because I have ideas for it, so I want to get them all out. But yeah, I don't want to spend too much time on it because I have like other ideas that I feel like are more promising.
Well, hey, maybe we'll see it on Steam someday, and
Maybe.
a future rising developer. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
I think that the process of developing a complex system like this prepares them very well for many jobs that they're going to end up in. There is a challenge in helping other people to see that. I'll be honest about that. But that's precisely why we're holding the expo. It's not just about the fun and games. I mean, it's about the hard work that they put into all these projects and the software engineering skills that they've acquired as a result of that.